guys, this is Akbar from Everyday Life Creator, and I purchased a new device today. And these are my new Sony wireless headsets. These are the 1000X Mark III. Yeah, and I'm going to do a little unboxing video on this. I'll give you the complete unboxing experience. We'll show you guys what's in the box, what are the accessories, and everything that you'll see in the box. So please watch till the end. I will be creating another video after this wherein I will be showing you guys how to pair the devices with your phone, and the app that comes along, how to set that up, and how are the reviews, how good they are in comparison with the AirPods Pro and another Bullet Wireless Z headphones. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you get the new updates.
Okay, so here is the box, and the box is really nice. It's heavy, and let's look at the back. So you got a lot of information there on the back, some configuration and specifications. And let's open the box now. Okay, so here's the internal, and you see a little paper here, and then the box itself, the headphones. Let's take this out. And here are some instruction manual. This is a 360 audio paper, and this is a quick setup guide. Okay, let's keep that aside, and here is the pouch, the main thing that we have been waiting for. And let's open this. Okay, so there it is. It looks very good, nicely placed. This is the aux cable that comes. You can look at the box. This is the charging cable. Okay, so yeah, this is a C-type charging cable, you can see here, and so we also have a little 3.5 mm USB adapter, you can see. And now let's take a look at the actual thing. Okay, so we have all the components here, and let's take a look at the actual headset. So these look pretty solid, I would say, and they got a nice feel to it. It's all matte black, and this is the microphone. You got two microphones on the headset, and overall the design and the look and feel is very premium. The cushion feels soft and premium once again. You can see the other microphone there. And on the bottom we have the 3.5 mm output, the on and off button, and there's the one is the ambient and noise cancellation button.
So I hope you like the video, guys, and also like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, guys.